Install weatherboards by yourself with CladMate.
A month or so ago, before this project, a mate of mine recommended that I check out the CladMate system. After using it for a week, I couldn't speak more highly of it, so I'm going to show you just quickly how it actually works. It's a two-step system. Slide it under your last board, lock it into place, put the other one on, grab the board. The good thing about the CladMate system, once it's in place, you know your boards are straight, and it basically allows chippies to be able to clad completely by themselves as well. You don't have to hold it while you pin it off, you know it's in the right spot and you can nail away. So the CladMate system for us, we've been using it about a week now. We found that it's probably cut the time to do this project by about half, I would say, would be fair. In terms of looking at linear cladding, I don't think I'd ever do cladding without them again.
Install weatherboards by yourself and twice as fast with CladMate. Insert the CladMates, engage the handle, set the board, nail away. CladMate easily clamps to each board and it removes effortlessly. CladMate adjusts for different widths of weatherboards and has incredible holding power. It's great for scaffolding and tight places.
The good thing about the CladMate system, once it's in place, you know your boards are straight, and it basically allows chippies to be able to clad completely by themselves as well.
Just want to say that it's a really quick, fast, easy tool to use. Gives you a perfect lap every time.
Probably cut the time down in half. Usually a two-man job has become a one.
Gives you the perfect lap every time. You can work by yourself, really quick.
Turns a two-man job into a one-man job. CladMate, love it.
In terms of looking at linear cladding, I don't think I'd ever do cladding without them again.
Order yours now at cladmate.com.au. Free next day shipping from Sydney.